Alright, so now let's now have a detailed look at the editor. So it's kind of a WYSIWYG editor, right? Kind of, because obviously it doesn't look exactly the way it looks on the sites, right? I mean, it's kind of similar, but it won't render the whole layout. Um, First of all, how does the slideshow works? So this is what we call short codes. So short codes is just simplify your life. Instead of having like PHP coding and JavaScript, you just have short code, and the Joomla engine will do the rest. Okay, so for example, these are all the pages, all the pictures, sorry, of the slideshow here. So you see they have all the keywords bug plus, and the rel tag, it's bug plus field fab, meaning all this picture here will be associated with the same slideshow called box plus field fab. So you can add a new picture by just copy pasting, for example, the last one. So do not forget the closing tag. The opening tag is box plus, the closing tag is slash box plus. So you just copy that, Control C and Control V. And here you just put the address of the last picture you want to edit. Same thing if you want to remove one of the picture on the slideshow. Okay, so now how to add a picture to your server. Adding a picture, just click here, insert edit image. And now this is your root folder on the server for picture. So you can, I mean, try to keep things organized. So for example, here we are in the field fabrication page. So probably in services and field fab here. There you go. So here you got all the picture of the slideshow. So if you want to add a new picture, you just click here on upload. You can create new folder by clicking here. But if you want to add a new picture, just click upload, and now you just drag and drop your picture from your computer here. Click on upload, and the picture will be uploaded here. Okay, and now you just have to copy paste this URL here into the shortcode that you find here. Okay, so pretty simple. Now we got like a list, so it really looks like a kind of Word, like it's a very simple Word editor. It's called JCE. It's very famous on Joomla, and you can do lots of stuff. So you can create link if you want to create a link, for example, to another pages. So you select what you want to transform to a link, click on the chain here, and it could be either an external URL. Let's say, for example, you want to link it to my website. So you do this, okay. And if it's an external URL, don't forget to select the target to open a new window. This way, the current tab will stay open for your visitor. Sorry. Facility. All right. Now let's say you want to link it to a page of your website. You can click on menu here, go on the main menu, and here you got basically the hierarchy of your current menu that you have here at the top. So let's say you want to link facility to the shop fabrication page, right? So you just click here, and here the URL have been updated automatically. That's what we call dynamic URLs. Do not edit this, otherwise the link will not work. And you just remove the open in your window. This way, it's because it's an internal link, and you click on insert, and now you got your link here that has been updated. Alright, what else? If you do a bullet list, so let's say you want to do a bullet list like this, an ordered list. Okay, so let's type some dumb stuff here. Alright, I want to transform this into a bullet list. Select this, but the bullet list here will not have the style with the little blue arrow that you can see on the front. To have this, you need to add a class to the list. So you need to edit the HTML for this. It's not that complicated. You just go in there, source code editor. So that's what your HTML look like. And you just go on the UL here. Actually, just forgot what I said. The little blue arrow will be applied automatically to any list within your pages. So just forget about what I said. But anyway, this is how you access the HTML source code of your website, of your page. If you want to just insert a standard image, you just click on. So you just did what I did before, and you just select the image you want to add. So let's say I'm going to projects, click on project 2, and I just click on insert. Make sure the dimensions are alright, and there you go. Okay, so this is to insert like this as a very simple image. If you're unsure about how to do a slideshow, just copy paste what's already working and existing on a website. Okay, so just for example, here you just go into the source code and you just copy this. For example, you copy all the code for the slideshow, and you just copy paste it into another pages, and then you just edit it. This way, you're sure it's gonna work. Here you can see if you have some knowledge of HTML that we got a row fluid and span 6 here. That's what we call the bootstrap framework. So it's just used for responsiveness. So the span 6 means it's half of the page. Your page is divided into 12 equal blocks in width. So span 6 means this division will take half of the page because it will take 6 blocks, and the other one will take 6 blocks as well. Okay, so if you want to have like a 2 columns layout on a new page, for example, you have to do this. You have to have div class span 6 wrapped into a div class row fluid. Anyway, or you can just copy paste one of the existing page and it's gonna work perfectly fine. Alright, so let me cancel this. Obviously, we're not gonna save this. Now let's go into articles here and show you something. If you want to duplicate a page, so duplicating a page is pretty easy. You just open a page here, like drafting, and you just save as copy. You click on save as copy, it's gonna duplicate the page, right? And I had to create a menu link to this new page. You go into the menu here, menu manager, go into main menu, and so here you can see this is your current menu. Okay, so those are all the menu items that have been unpublished. They have been created during the development, but you change your mind on several stuff, so I just unpublished them. I did not trash them. Right? So to trash, just select, click on trash. Or if you want to just unpublish them, just click and click unpublish. Okay, if you want to republish the history, for example, just have to click here on the red cross. It's gonna republish the history menu. If you want to create a new menu, just click create a new menu item type. This way, like I'm not gonna bother you with all the option here. Just go into articles and click on single articles. Now you will select the articles you want to link this menu link to. Select, and this is all the articles you have here. So you can select the category if you have too many. Usually the latest articles you've added in the database showing up at the top. So let's say I want to create a menu link to inspection. Click on inspection. The menu title is going to be the menu label showing up here. So inspection test. The alias is going to be auto-generated, so you don't need to bother with that. And then the parent items. So that's if you want to have like a menu item. So if you want to have the inspection test showing up at the top here, the parent item should be menu item roots. If you want to have like a sub menu item below safety, for example, the parent item should be safety. So we have to look for safety here. There you go. And when it's all done, just click on save. Alright, I think that's pretty much it for the detailed operation. You don't need to know way more stuff. If you have any question anyway, feel free to ask me. I'll go with the specific pages after this tutorial. Alright.